Hey everyone, Premium Performance Products here. Today we're going to talk to you about where to find and download the updater software for your Diablosport, Superchips, or Edge Products tuner. As a dealer of these particular tuners, we needed to go through the same thing that consumers go through, not only for our own education, but we do sometimes get returns on these, and if they are opened up and taken out of the box, we need to verify a few things before we determine that we can sell it as a new product. So, as a consumer though, first thing you would want to do is go to holly.com. Once you're there, look for the support tab in the upper right hand corner. Click on that and scroll down to tuners. Select that and you'll see a list of tuners here at the top. Ignore Super Tuner and Pulsar XT because today we're talking about the software updater for Superchips and Diablosport, as well as Edge products. All three of those will work for this. So select on either one of these. I'm selecting on Diablosport and it'll take you right to the software downloads page. Find the Update Agent 1.0 for PC or for Mac. Select on that and follow the prompts for the download. Once you get the download complete, it'll ask you if you want to put a shortcut on your desktop. Go ahead and say yes to that so it's convenient to find, and we've got that right here. And here's what it'll look like. Now today, in particular, we're talking about the Edge Products Evolution CTS3. This particular one is part number 85450-250, and it's for specifically 1999 up through 2016 GM gas vehicles. The reason we're talking about this one is we did get a return on this one recently, and it was a customer that has a diesel versus a gas. So they immediately discovered that once they ripped the plastic off the box, and they basically put in a return, and we accepted the return. But before we decide to sell this as a brand new product, we need to determine that it is still brand new. And on the consumer side, what you need to do with this downloader is to make sure it has the most recent firmware updated on the device. Now these devices all look the same, so it's easy for a customer to make a mistake when purchasing these items, and it's also easy for a customer to return the incorrect unit if they bought one before. So we always want to make sure that we have the right product and it's legitimately brand new before we sell it as new. So once you have the device in hand, what you'll do is you'll go ahead, take it out of the box, plug in the USB cord into the computer, and the display will illuminate. Once you have that plugged into the computer, go back to your update agent and open that up. So it'll immediately recognize the device that you have plugged into the computer, and it'll show you a few things, that it's updating it with the most recent firmware. So obviously make sure you have an internet connection. It'll show you the serial number. The serial number is located on the back of these devices along with the part number, so verify that those two things match. And you can see right here that there is no vehicle identification number tied to this particular one. So that's item number one that we want to check as a dealer, to make sure that this is not locked to another vehicle and that there's no custom tunes on this particular device. And there are 0 files installed on this device. So this truly was a consumer mistake. They did not use the item. They did not put anything on the item. Everything is brand new, and we're going to sell it as new.